of the car. That's the engine. It's a V6 TFSI, 6-cylinder. And there is the pipe or the inlet tube that goes from the air filter all the way to the throttle body. And in future, I'm going to get a bigger throttle body. I believe it's an 87 millimeter throttle body. And then once I replace this pipe with the ECS pipe, for now, I'm getting the complete kit with the heat shield from APR, and that's in the mail. And that way, should be able to hear more of this puppy. And then on, I believe a week from today. No, today is Friday. So on Thursday, I am getting the APR 2 Plus upgrade. So my ECU tune is getting upgraded, as well as the supercharger pulley. I'm getting a newer supercharger pulley and the crank pulley. So those are both going to be changed. So in other words, I'm getting the APR stage 2 Plus. And so let's hopefully we get some power gains there. And then I eventually want to change the intercooler or add an intercooler so we get more cooling, because the factory cooling does not prevent a heat soak as much as the aftermarket one does. So, all right, pipe time. All right, get that opened up. And I just have a couple of mods I'm gonna do to the car. I've got the 6-speed manual transmission, 2013 Audi S5 Prestige. And they sent me an inlet tube for my cold air intake kit. Of course, the tube does not come with the cold air intake. And I ordered the cold air intake from APR, and that's on its way as well. It's open, there's no cover. It's a carbon fiber, has a heat shield as well as the bigger air filter. So some increased supercharger whine expected. This tube, APR has a tube, but that was a little more expensive. I didn't want to spend that much considering I'm gonna have to replace that tube in future because I want to get the ultracharger kit. But this tube is from ECS Tuning, and it was, I believe, 70 bucks, 70 something dollars. Anyway, that's it. From ECS Tuning. I had to order from APR directly, and it's taken forever. I called ECS Tuning, and they had it in stock. This is the heat shield for the cold air intake, carbon fiber, very lightweight. Filter. Gigantic filter. Smaller filter. upgraded APR, heat exchanger, upgraded APR, air filter. There's the auxiliary air filter, upgraded. ECS Tuning, inlet tube, connected to throttle body. All fits perfectly. Thank you. Yo. What?